Loving it.
Hey, we got a raging blizzard here in Tofte. It's awesome. We're getting lake effect snow. The wind is blowing like crazy off of Lake Superior. And the good thing is, we got a nice warm house to get into when we feel like it. And we got a lot of wood stacked and cut here ready to go for our fire. But we're loving this blizzard. It's awesome. We're supposed to get probably over a foot of snow here in the next day. We're walking down our road right now. As you can see, it's almost whiteout conditions. It's awesome. We're loving it.
Here's some wave action down on Lake Superior. We can hear the waves up at our house, a third of a mile up